sweet, I'm gazing now on faith and rest. I'm the blade, the darkness hunter. I'm heading for the moment of great splendor. This moment is at hand. The moment when I'll finally be dead. In peace I'll soon be memory left behind. I'll be no more than that. I'm finally there, facing the river, facing death. The mistress dressed in black. To take away my pain, I'm heading for the fire. Now I'm truly heading for the blade. The end. I'm heading for infinity. I'm heading for the shades. I'm heading for the unknown past that leads to the grave. I'm heading for the darkness that I'm heading for the final day. We'll take away all pain. Take away all pain. In darkness all is safe. In that so-called embrace. And now I'm running for a blade. The final kiss of blood is to be made. To find the kingdom of the shades. In the black path to the grave. And now the world is set aflame. My mind is traveling far from this decay. I'm running forward to the shame of a new form just to take. I'm running to the door beyond the grave. The grave, it is nothing but the end. And now the final step I'll take. The final deadly code was While twilight time is over, I will stand. I'll wait and stand for all what's kingdom spreads. Tonight I will discover truth at last. The spirits of time takes my breath. While daylight time is over, I feel fine. I'll no more fight, protecting to the night. Embraced I am disarmed with no fright. The spheres of time embrace the sky. The spheres of time are veiled by the night tide. Absence of light, the moon's the only guide. The time is right, while landscape touch the sky. The final tide. these cold ways. Get ready with fire and blaze. Get ready to end this race. Get ready to end this race. To kill now the spawn of Cain. Get ready to end this race. Devoured by the mark of Cain. They're willing to end this race. They're willing to end this race. They're willing to end this race. They need to destroy this plague. They need to end this plague. They need to end this plague. They need to see my rays. Disrupt my flames. Condemn the rays. Bring down to fade ablaze. To finally free the kingdom. To bring them all to flames. To finally bring the darkness on this grave. To bring the final conflict. Bring freedom to the star. The time is right. Tonight. To finally bring the answers. The quest of humankind. To finally put an end. You're running blind. 'Cause mankind time is over. No way left to survive. Here comes the night. Now die. Don't try to run or hide. There is no shelter. The time has come to leave this tyrant world. Prepare to say goodbye. Your life is ending. To leave this world. Prepare to fall. 'Cause mankind is the fault. The great offender. The sickness of this world. The bastard son. The fall of humankind. The only answer. To kill them.